Okay guys, it's Will, and the review is on Ben 10 Legos, and here's a Ben 10 Lego with all of the pieces. So long, so tall. And now we're going to do science, so then watch or not. And I have Ben 10 minifigures. Put it into the basket. Putting into this box, the magazine box. Wait for a little while. That means it's ready. And now they're bad guy aliens. Bad guy aliens. And this big guy, that marble. This big guy versus all of these guys. Ready? It's a go. And I have no idea how many pieces this takes. It took one day. I thought it was going to take 2. And I even have Dragonoid Colossus. I even have Dragonoid Colossus. I got him for Christmas, so I didn't have to waste any money. And McDonald's Transformer, people have that. This horse, I have no idea where it came from again. And Dragon, I got him for my birthday, so I don't know. And I got this for my birthday, so I don't know again. And no idea. I got this for Christmas, and I got this from Florida. Say it's good to Florida and get this. And I don't know. I have a DSi. And I forget what it's called, but I know where I got it. In Vajiku, I reviewed this once. Pterodactyl, I have no idea. Skylon, of course. And DSi. And I thought this was going to be my longest one, but bye.